Recently, I was watching Good Things Utah, and Reagan had a guest on who was making pumpkin donuts. They were having so much fun making it. It looked easy, and I could tell that it was delicious by their reactions. I went to their website, copied it, and pasted it into Word, and this is what it looks like. Now, it looks pretty good. However, with it being so close to Halloween, I had to spice it up. Here's what I did. I clicked on Design. I came over here to the right with page borders. There's an option for art. If you haven't used it, especially if you're making a flyer or a border, it's very easy to use. I know that almost halfway down there are some jack-o'-lanterns. Click on that, click on OK. Now the page border is applied to all pages. So if you have 30 pages, it applies to 30 pages. I'm going to also choose page color. I'm going to have a light orange tint. And this is just for electronic purposes. It will not print out. After that, I selected the ingredients and I put them into columns. I'm clicking on Layout, Columns, 2. This really conserves space on a page. After that, I change the title. I'm going to select the title, clicking here on Home. And there's all kind of fun fonts on Pinterest and the internet. This particular one is called A.R. Carter. I like it because it's so fun and festive. I also will change that to be a 36 point size. And I want the color to be a pumpkin color. I will also center align that. I'm going to deselect and want to be consistent with the subtitle. So I'm double clicking in the word ingredients to select that. I'm going to leave the font as it is, but change that to a 14 point and also a pumpkin color. Now, in order to save me some time, I'm still in the word ingredients. I'm going to double click the Format Painter. This allows me to apply the formatting elsewhere. When I bring my mouse pointer onto the document, it looks like a paintbrush. As you click and drag it, it will paint the formatting where you want to apply it. See, I'm just clicking and dragging. To turn it off, you click once on Format Painter. I need to double click the word glaze. I also want to add A.R. Carter. Make it orange, and what do you think? Maybe 22 point size. I've got an extra space here. Let me delete that out. The last thing I did was insert a picture. You don't have to do that, but sometimes I like to. I'm going to go to Insert. Now, if you have your own pictures on your computer, you would choose Pictures. However, if you don't, just go online. I'm going to type pumpkin donuts. And it brings up quite a few options for you. Be sure to scroll through that. See if there's something that appeals to you. I like this one. I'm going to double click on it. Now, one thing you need to know in Word is that when you're working with pictures, it's very difficult to move. Let me size that down, make that smaller. You have to always change the text wrap. I'm going to click on this tag, and under text wrapping, I'll choose type. I do this for every single picture I put into Word. Now that I have changed the text wrapping options, I'm able to move that. You see how easy the text flows around that? And in fact, it tightly flows around that picture. So I'm just going to adjust it here, put it approximately where I want it. You can rotate your picture just by placing your mouse pointer here and do a free rotate. I'm also going to finish up by coming up on the Format ribbon under Picture Tools. I'm going to tell it to be a metallic frame, and that's all I did to spice that up. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go make me some pumpkin donuts.